video. 1 second. And we will be looking at the markets this morning. Hope you guys are having a good morning so far. Still holding the coins, still holding whatever you were in, making gains during these markets as well, because this is a perfect time to make gains. It's very easy to make gains during a bear market, because if you buy the dip at the lowest point, we'll go up from there on. And disregarding the 20K Bitcoin that may happen, it might not happen. You can never fully predict the market and be 100% correct. That's all about technical analysis, learning the markets, how the market moves, what causes the market to act the way it acts. All right, let's get started. All right, first thing we're looking at is ICP. So, not too long ago, or just a couple of days ago, maybe yesterday, I don't remember 100%, but I told you guys to get into ICP. Right now, ICP is up 12% from its previous low. I don't remember. I think the previous low was like 54, 55. It was 54. I remember. $53.85. And now it's $64. I got in. I made sure I got in. I didn't put everything in it though. Because remember guys, just dollar cost average over time. And then you will be making those gains. Gains come. Especially if you're dollar cost average. V-Chain at 10 cents still. Let's look at Bitcoin's chart. See, look, this is bad. We don't want to see these. Not right now. We don't. That's a huge jump, almost to 37 within a second. I wouldn't be surprised if it go up to like here, maybe. Or maybe here. And then come back down. But right now, we don't need any manipulation. We don't want to see any of that. Second, manipulation is just, it gets frustrating after a while. I'm not gonna lie. See these huge candlesticks? It's not not a lot of retail investors can do that, because majority of retail investors aren't putting that much money into a market. They're putting a few hundred, maybe $50, 1,000. They're not putting a full Bitcoin worth of money into the market most of the times. So the whales are the ones who have the hundreds of millions, billions of dollars that make huge candlesticks like this. Like I say, big money makes the market move in ways we don't want to see it move. So just pay attention to the candlestick sizes. What is the volume at? Like, why is this still here? So it still says sell, but we're in the green. How much sense does that make? It's just very interesting how they force us to buy. Okay. So I'm gonna make a new trend line for Bitcoin. Take this one out. So this is how I do my trend lines. I put this. And I do this. I have to move this one out a little bit. Have it close a little bit tighter. Alright, so if Bitcoin breaks out up here, that's bullish. It comes back down below this green. I wouldn't say it's necessarily bearish, but it's consolidating. It'll be consolidating at these levels and be bearish. That's the only other meaning for that. Either consolidate if it comes down here, consolidate up here, or be fully bearish and come down. But if you want to see strong bullish movement, even with manipulation, heavy manipulation, we would have to see it break up here, consolidate up here, then break up and keep breaking up that way. Because we don't want to see one huge jump, one fat candlestick. We do not want to see those. Because once that hits, sell-off is major. The sell-off is major. I think that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to make huge candlesticks. And for the people who have doubt in this market, in crypto, when they see that huge jump, oh, it's up a percentage. Let me get out now while I can. And then the market is going to have a huge sell-off. It'll just run straight down to the ground. Not to the ground, but it runs straight down. $88 is in the buy levels. I definitely caught some of that. Should have a limit order set. I have, so my strategy guys, I have limit orders set at certain prices on several levels. So like if 88 hits 140, I have, let's just say 1088 to be purchased at 140. If it hits the 130, I have another 2088 to be purchased at 130. If it hits 120, I have another 50. So you set those limit orders so when the market dips down, you don't have to try to run in and buy in quick and then it keeps dipping. You just have several. You split your money up. Have $100, split it up into separate limit orders. And that is basically like dollar cost averaging. That's what it is. So let's see what gains you could have made if you bought right here. You can still make gains during these markets, guys. Made a 26% gain. What else? Yeah, there's gains to be made during markets. Scales in my buy levels. Scale is almost down with 80%. Scale down 80% from previous price on the 10th of March. I don't think I put a limit order for my scale. I gotta set that probably 25 cents, 20 cents. XRP. $0.83. XRP's been down pretty bad. Last run up to 190 cents. %61%. It's probably 45% right here. $38. Yeah, so small gains add up over time. You guys just have to stick with it. Keep trading. You do have to do your research. It's not just gonna come to you if you don't have your technical analysis down, your resistance line, trend lines. You have to have all that to get the most out of your buck. CVIC. I got a dollar cost average for them. Cause I bought some at, was it 35? Yeah, I bought some at 35 cents. Kept dipping, went down to 19. Then if you watch, you would have had that bought at the bottom of the dip, you'd have had almost a 200% increase, 178% increase. That's disgusting. That's crazy. So I look at CIV. I see they aren't a bad trade. Talked about scale, GRT. What are they up to? Well, GRT is fairly new. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they aren't that new. They've been out for a while. Check the all. 1st of December 20. Let's see it past month. They are at 61 cents. Previously, whoa. GRT's at $2, 210, 220. Okay, their peak was at 290. And now it looks like they're down back at the previous pre-peak levels. Yep. So GRT is in a bad buy. Yeah, they're way below pre-peak levels. So that'll be how much percent? %78. That's insane. I'll probably cop GRT 50 cents. Side coin. Haven't done them in a minute. No, I have some, I don't know. Side coin peaked at what? 10 cents was it? 8. So those 8 cents, they peaked. $6. Yeah, side coin's a good coin to look out for. Not a bad coin. Tail coin. Tapped my buy level the other day. At limit orders set at that price. I'm telling you guys need to get that ICP because very undervalued right now. If you just put one, if you buy that one time and it goes back to the starting price $6.29, you make so much. What's that? That's almost 100. 10x, somebody. Almost 10x from what it is now. Man. So if you were to put $1,000 worth of ICP in right now, ICP go back to its original price, it would be $10,000. 10x. ICP easy 10x, man. That's guaranteed to return back to those prices. Maybe not now. Maybe within a year and a half, we'll see it back at those prices. but it's definitely gonna have a huge U shape. It's gonna come like this and go up. Look, I'm gonna draw it out for you guys. It may come down here a little bit more. After that, it's gonna run up. But once that, if the 20K Bitcoin hits, all right, let's look at what's down the past few hours. This coin running up, huh? Ether Max running up. Rayon was the one that just came out the other day, wasn't it? Yeah, it just came out 3 days ago. And then a lot of these people on TikTok push like these coins that they make in a day, and then they make the gains. People run it up, they sell it top, and then people still hoping for another run up. And they get stuck in the coin. You don't want to be that person. If you're gonna get into meme coins, get in early. Like they say, the early bird gets the worm. So it says their market. What? You go check CoinGecko. But they're not showing their market cap. Its supply is 100 million. This may be a good coin. This may be a good one. Let's check Twitter. I don't like IDO. I told you guys I don't like IDOs. And if initial DEX offering, that means they have it on the. I mean, they're not bad, but like I said, it's the same thing with meme coins. You have to be first. The early bird gets the worm. You have to be able to get in there first. So right now they're only available on Uniswap. So what did they do? Next generation of decentralized data mesh for blockchain at Web 3.0. Join us Telegram. I mean, their site looks cool, but we got to see a little bit more. A little. Check out the white paper. 3-in-1 resources, which include computation, storage, and network traffic. Okay. Shadows uses proof of traffic. Okay. Algorithms to reward infrastructure participants and contributors to accordance with network traffic. At the same time, Stratos uses its own blockchain to measure the usage of computing resources, computation, storage, and network traffic, and uses practical Byzantine fault tolerance consensus algorithm. Okay, that's nice. Integrate network proof traffic consensus algorithm. If you guys want to check out their white paper, you can. Just go to CoinMarket, search up Stratos, and it's there. Who are they partnering with again? They look pretty legit. They joined 2009. What were they posting in 2009? Wonder if they were still doing something similar. Did they change up their whole thing? Okay, this is actually good. This might be a very huge project. I don't know. It's something that we. It's interesting. I wouldn't put all my money into them, but I'll put like a few bucks, something like a meal on it. Put $30 in there. See what happens. They look legit, but I want to see a little bit more. It seems like it's been planned out well. But the only thing I don't like is why weren't they why didn't they IDO before? I wonder how long this project has been in the makes. If it's just came about this year, and that's kind of fishy. But that's also like it's not terribly bad. That's very fishy because if you start 2021, you're making a coin. Like, what were you doing this whole time? But it's not something bad to look into. The upside they have is the supply. 100 million. Not bad. It'll probably go down some more. But the buying is definitely picking up. Alright, so that's it for this stream, guys. I'll talk a little bit more about some more stuff probably tonight. And I got the video coming out at 3. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share it, join the Discord. I need you guys to join the Discord so we can communicate on what coins you want me to talk about.